Hello guys, welcome back. This is a question number 7 from exercise 11.2. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. So we have to draw a circle with the help of bangle. So this is a bangle. Keep the bangle either left or right of your page and draw a circle with the help of this bangle. So this is a circle with the help of the bangle. Now we have to locate the center of the circle. Now circle center is not there because we have not used compass. So first of all we have to locate the center. Now center of the circle, as per the definition of the circle, each point on the circle is equidistant from the fixed point. That fixed point is called the center of the circle. So we'll take three non-collinear points. That is, we will draw two non-parallel chords. See here, I am taking the three, anywhere you can take. This is one point. Anywhere, you can take anywhere. So let us mark this as A, this is a B, and this is C. Any 3 points you locate, draw the chords. These chords are non-parallel chords. Now these are three non-collinear points. Now we know that each point on the circle is equidistant from the center. So we have to locate the center. So we know the perpendicular bisector property. Each point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the end points of the two segments. Now let us draw the perpendicular bisector of these two chords. First let us take the chord BC, take more than half, draw one arc up and one down, and from B you cut this arcs and draw perpendicular bisector of segment BC. So each point on this perpendicular bisector will be equidistant, means at the same distance from B and C. Similarly, draw the perpendicular bisector from AB, taking more than half. So this is the point. Name this point as O. Now taking O as the center and OA, ROB, ROC. Draw one. So this is C then. you will see that this circle is coming. Okay, now take any point P outside the circle. What is the question? Construct the pair of tangent from the point to the circle, taking the point P outside. So you can take point outside the circle. Anywhere you can take. Suppose this is a point P. Now join OP. Now taking OP as a diameter, draw perpendicular bisector of OP, take more than half from O. So this is a perpendicular bisector of OP. Take this point as M. M is the midpoint of OP. Taking M as the center and MO. You know that how to draw the tangents. This is not a new thing for you. And draw one circle through O and P. See, this is a circle through O and P. Now this circle where it intersects the first circle, name this point as Q and R. Okay, and draw PQ. This will be your first tangent PQ, and draw PR. This will be your second tangent. So this is the construction, and here what is the new thing, that we drew the circle with the help of the bangle and we located the center of the circle. Rest of the construction you know. So practice it. This is the last question from your exercise and your chapter is over. Now you will get the worksheet and then you practice this worksheet at home. Okay. Thank you very much.